So here's how you can adjust your iPad's screen size to make it look like iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. The first step is to go to the settings. Obviously, ensure that you're running the latest version of the iPad OS. The iPad OS 26 is required for this. So once you have that, you can find the multitasking and the gestures and decide that your apps are either going to be in the windowed selection here or stage manager. Just don't leave it at full screen apps only. I'm going to stay with the windowed apps, and it just allows me to open up, for example, Safari web browser or something else. Doesn't really matter. But the point is that if I want to turn it into the iPhone size app, I just grab the bottom right corner of the app and drag it toward the middle, so I have this little vertical icon. And if I compare it to my iPhone, it looks exactly like that. Like, this is literally the iPhone version of the app, and if for whatever reason I want to use it this way, I have the option to. I can repeat that with other apps as well. Like if I open up Photos or anything else, I can just grab it and make it look like an iPhone app as well, right? And this might be useful if you like that user interface or if you want to fit more apps into your screen. So let me know in the comments below if this is what you wanted to achieve. If not, it's possible that you had something else in mind. Go ahead and let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video just about that, but thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.